Hello, and welcome back to Real English Dialogue. I am Emma, your teacher and your best friend in this journey.
And I am Alex. I am a student, and just like many of you, I want to speak English fast and easily.
That is right, Alex. Today, we are going to talk about a very big secret. This is a topic that many students ask about every day. We want to teach you how to train your brain to speak English naturally.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Train my brain. It sounds like a gym for the mind. But wait, listeners, before we dive into the secrets, we have a challenge for you. Today is a special Error Hunter episode.
Exactly. Today we have a unique game. While Alex tells us about his problems with English, he is going to make exactly 5 grammar mistakes. Your job as the error hunter is to find every single one of them.
Yes, I'm going to be a little bit messy today. If you can find all 5 mistakes, you win the rank of English Pro at the end of the video. Are you ready? Let's start Act 1, the translation problem.
Alex, tell us, what happens in your head when you try to speak English? For example, when you go to a cafe to order a coffee.
Oh, Emma, it is a very long process. First, I think of the sentence in my native language. I think, I want a cup of coffee with milk. Then I look at every word. I translate I, then want, then cup. By the time I finish translating in my head, the waiter is looking at me like I'm a robot. It is very, very slow.
I understand. Many learners do this. We call it the translation bridge. It's hard work for your brain because you are doing 2 jobs at once. You are thinking and you are translating. We want to destroy that bridge and just stay in English.
I agree. I feel like I am running a marathon in my head. My brain are very tired every day after I study.
Oh, wait, stop right there. Error hunters, did you hear that? Alex just made the very first mistake of the day.
Oh, did I? I was just talking about my tired brain. Was it a bad word?
No, the word was fine, but the grammar was not. Listeners, Alex said, "My brain are very tired." Is that correct? Look at the word brain. Pause for 3 seconds. No, it is not correct. Alex, you only have 1 brain, right? It is singular, so we do not use are.
Ah, of course. 1 brain, so I must use is. My brain is very tired.
Exactly. My brain is tired. Now, listeners, let's practice tip number 1. Think in small sentences. Don't try to translate big, complex ideas. Just look around your room and name what you see using a simple sentence. This is our first shadowing practice block. Repeat after me with Alex. Speak clearly. This is my pen.
This is my pen.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
The water is cold.
The water is cold.
I want coffee.
I want coffee.
The door is open.
The door is open.
I see a chair.
I see a chair.
It is a sunny day.
It is a sunny day.
I am ready to learn.
I am ready to learn.
English is easy.
English is easy.
Fantastic job, everyone. When you do this all day, you connect the English word directly to the object. You see the pen and you think pen. You don't think of your language first. You stay in the English zone.
That makes sense. It's like a shortcut. I wake up and instead of translating, I am awake, I just say to myself, I am awake. It's much faster.
Yes, that's the first step to thinking in English. Now, let's move to Act 2, English food for your brain.
English food? Am I eating a dictionary, Emma? Is it delicious?
Not a dictionary, Alex. We call it input. Your brain needs food to grow, and for a language brain, food is what you listen to and what you watch.
Oh, I see.
I try to listen to things every day. For example, I listen to music every morning when I'm on the bus. Music helped me to learn the music of the language, the patterns and the rhythm.
Stop. Error hunters, wake up. Alex just made mistake number 2.
Music help? I thought that sounded good.
Listeners, what do you think? Alex said, music help me. No. Remember our rule for the present simple. Music is like it. For he, she, or it, we always need to add a special letter to the end of the action word.
Oh, the letter S. I always forget the S when I am excited. Music helps me.
Perfect. Music helps me. It is a small letter, but it is very important. Let's practice this rule so we don't forget it again. It is shadowing practice time. Repeat with Alex. Music helps me.
Music helps me.
He likes English.
He likes English.
She speaks fast.
She speaks fast.
It feels good.
It feels good.
The sun helps the trees.
The sun helps the trees.
My friend plays guitar.
My friend plays guitar.
The cat sleeps a lot.
The cat sleeps a lot.
Emma teaches English.
Emma teaches English.
Alex learns every day.
Alex learns every day.
It works well.
It works well.
Excellent. Now, Alex, listening is one part, but what about watching? Do you watch movies?
I try to watch movies, but Emma, it is so hard. Hollywood actors speak so fast. The words are like little fish in the ocean. They swim away before I can catch them. It makes me feel a bit sad.
Oh, don't feel sad, Alex. Movies are very difficult for beginners. My advice is don't watch fast movies yet. Watch simple videos about things you already love. For example, you love cooking, right?
Oh yes, I love to cook pasta and pizza.
Then watch a simple cooking video in English. When the chef says tomato and you see a tomato, your brain connects the sound to the picture. You don't need to translate, you just see and hear. This is the best way to feed your English brain.
That is a great tip. I can watch football videos too. He kicks the ball. I see the kick, I hear the word. I like that. But Emma, I have another problem. I live alone. I don't have a partner to speak English with every day.
Stop. Error hunters, did you catch that? Mistake number 3 is here. Alex said, I not have a partner.
Wait, I said not. Isn't that how you make a sentence negative?
Listeners, help Alex. What is missing in that sentence? We need a helper word. In English, we don't just say, I not have. We must say, I do not have or I don't have.
Oh, right. I need the do. I don't have a partner.
Exactly. And that leads us to tip number 3, which is very important. You don't need a partner to start speaking. Act 3, speaking to the mirror.
Speak to myself? Emma, if my neighbors hear me, they will think I'm crazy. They'll think I have an imaginary friend.
Let them think that. You can do it in the shower or in your room where no one can hear you. The secret is to describe your world out loud. Speak so your ears can hear your voice.
Okay, I will try to do that tonight. I can go into my kitchen and describe what I'm doing. I can say, I am making tea, the water is hot, I see a cup. I can describe my bedroom too. I see a bed, I have a big desk, the desk is brown. It is a very good exercise.
Alex, you were doing so well, but you just made mistake number 4. Error hunters, what did he say about the exercise?
Oh no. Was it the word exercise? Is it too hard for me?
No, the word was perfect, but you said it are a good exercise. Listeners, why is that wrong? That's right, because it always goes with is. we say, it is.
It is a good exercise. I am sorry, Emma. I know that rule, but I forgot it again.
Don't be sorry, Alex. Every time you make a mistake and fix it, your brain gets stronger. Let's practice some descriptions together. This will help everyone learn to think about their surroundings. Shadowing practice. It is a big room.
It is a big room.
I see a green chair.
I see a green chair.
The lamp is on.
The lamp is on.
I am talking now.
I am talking now.
English is fun.
English is fun.
It is a red book.
It is a red book.
The bed is soft.
The bed is soft.
I have a table.
I have a table.
The table is small.
The table is small.
It is my home.
It is my home. This feels really good. When I'm describing my room, I'm not thinking about my own language. I'm just looking and speaking. My brain is actually working in English.
Yes, that is the magic. You are building a new brain. Your English brain is growing every time you speak out loud.
This is amazing. I want to keep going. I want to be an expert. How I can learn faster?
Wait, stop. That was it. The final mistake of the day. Mistake number 5.
Really? But I just asked the question. How I can learn faster? What is wrong with that question?
Listeners, this is a very, very common mistake for beginners. Alex asked a question, but the words are in the wrong place. How do we ask this correctly in English? We must change the order of the words. We don't say, I can in a question. We say, can I? So the correct question is, how can I learn faster?
How can I learn faster? Ah, I see. The helper word comes first in a question.
Yes, you got it. Let's practice some questions with can I so our listeners can master this structure. This is our last shadowing practice block for today. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
What can I do?
What can I do?
Where can I go?
Where can I go?
When can I start?
When can I start?
Can I speak English?
Can I speak English?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Can you see me?
Can you see me?
Can we go now?
Can we go now?
How can I find it?
How can I find it?
I can do it.
I can do it.
You certainly can, Alex. You have been a wonderful student today. You shared your problems and you learned the solutions.
Let's review the tips for everyone. Tip 1. Use small, simple sentences. Tip 2. Get lots of English input from music and videos you like. Tip 3. Speak to yourself and describe your world out loud.
And the most important tip of all, be patient with yourself. Your brain needs time to change. If you practice for just 10 or 15 minutes every single day, you will see a big change.
Now it is time for the results. Error hunters, how did you do today?
If you found only 1 or 2 mistakes, you are a beginner. Welcome to the team. Keep watching and keep practicing. If you found 3 or 4 mistakes, you are an English learner. You are doing very well. Your ears are getting sharp. And if you found all 5 mistakes, you are an English pro. You are a super learner.
Congratulations to all the English pros. Now we have a question for you. Do you speak to yourself in English? What do you say?
Yes, please tell us your secrets in the comments. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Real English Dialogue so you never miss a story.
Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay happy and keep learning.